Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss about the important three secret tips of the garden. Secrets number 1, watering deeply. The first secret to a healthy garden is to water deeply. This means giving your plants a true soaking, but less frequently so that the water reaches their roots. When you water deeply, you are encouraged the roots of your plants to grow deeper into the soil. This makes them more resilient to drought as they are better able to access water during dry spells. To water deeply, use a garden hose or watering can to slowly water the soil around your plants until it is truly saturated. Secret number 2, adding compost. The second secret to a thriving garden is to add compost. Compost is a rich source of organic matter and nutrients which will help to improve the structure and fertility of your soil. It is also a great way to add beneficial microbes to your garden, which will help to break down organic matter and release nutrients into the soil. To add compost to your garden, simply spread a layer of it over the soil surface before planting or sprinkle it over the soil around established plants. Secret number 3, understanding soil pH. The third secret to a successful garden is to understand soil pH. Soil pH is a measure of your acidic or alkaline your soil is, and it can have a big impact on the health and growth of your plants. Different plants thrive at different pH levels, so it is important to have your soil tested to determine its pH. If the pH of your soil is too high or too low for the plants you want to grow, you can adjust it by adding lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower the pH. By following these three secrets, you will be able to create a garden that is healthy, productive, and beautiful, whether you are an unexperienced gardener or just starting out. These tips will help you get the most out of your garden.